Us back again. Hands on. Listen, remember we drew the straight line. We're working out the coordinates for trick beacon 189. We drew a straight line that cuts through the minute on top, very important, and the minute on the side. Now, guys and girls, listen up. It's very important, like I said, that you use a ruler that's got the measurements of your millimeters, especially now when you're working with coordinates, that it's got it correct and is shown correctly. So what we do is, I'm just going to scroll this one a little bit down so it's comfortable for me to use the ruler, and I will be measuring. So I'm going to be measuring this entire minute. So if I measure it here on the map and I place my ruler specifically down here on the line, we get to 30, 31, 32. It seems to be 32. Let me just go look closely. My head to plop here in the screen. Let's so my head comes in between here. Just mind me. Just let's see. On the line, 31, 32. It's closer, I would say. Let's get it on the line specifically. 30, 31, 32. I would say 32 millimeters. So we've measured. So the first thing that we had to do, we had to measure the whole minutes. So we call this first step. The first step, we've measured the whole minute. Okay, we've measured the whole minute. The whole minute. From where did we start? We always measure from west to east. From west to east. So we started the minute on 0 and we measured. It is 32 millimeters. Okay. The next step, what we do is we go and we need to measure from the starting point of the minute, where the block starts, the line, to where this line crosses with the minute. So let's go. Oh yeah, too far. All right, here we are. Okay. Okay, so we put the ruler again on the starting point of the block and we measure to exactly where this line intersects with the minute. So the line that we've drawn in pencil, we need to know where it basically stops or intersect. So it's 15, 16, 17, 18. It seems to be 18 millimeters. Right? I'm just going to double check this, make 100% sure, and it's 18 millimeters. Okay, so next step, what do? We say 18 millimeters, right, is the unit that we've measured. I'm making it UM, the unit measured. We've measured from the starting point to where the line crosses with the minute. All right, and we're going to take it over the 32. So we're going to divide this into the 32. All right. Then we're going to say times by 60 over 1. Why 60 over 1? Because we want to know the seconds. Right? That's the answer. And remember, we're working here with east. Just in brackets, this is east. All right. So we say 18 millimeters. Right? Please, guys, don't work with comma 5 or you think it's comma 2. Don't estimate it. Round it off to the next millimeter. Right? So if you're looking on your ruler and it seems to be closer to the one or to the other, rather say 19 or 18. Right? So we're going to say 18 millimeters divide by 32 and we're going to get a decimal. Then we say times by 60 over 1 and the answer is 33.75. Over here, guys, we need to round this off. We're going to round this off to, that's correct, 34 seconds. So the answer here is going to be 34 seconds east. Right. We're going to do exactly the same now for south. So when we get to south, right, on the side here, okay, we need to measure south's distance as well. Okay, I want to place my book so it's correct. So we measure the entire length of the minute on the side. So here we go and we measure. We put our rulers right on the starting point and we measure all the way, let's go there, all the way up until where, so we've got to work as accurately as possible, right? Gonna make sure, yes, it's there, 35, 36, right? 36. Now remember, every map that you will be working on, this is a photocopied version and a textbook, every map is going to have a different measurement. So don't go, oh, rule of thumb, 32 millimeters, yeah, I'm going to work with this. You are going to get yourself into trouble. All right. So we've measured the entire minute, the whole minute, and we said it's 36 millimeters. That was for the whole minute. Then we need to measure from where the minute starts. So where the minute starts up until where the minute crosses. So here we go. Take our rulers and put it right on the spot, and we need to measure this. Okay, we've got 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 it seems to be. I've got it right on the spot. Okay, and that's 20. So 20, 21, 22, 23 millimeters. Laka! There we go. On a Sunday. I bet you guys are having a laka weekend. Hey, cool. Anyways, so we take, what did we just say? It was 23 millimeters. Millimeters, and we say it's 23 millimeters. Units measured, right? The unit, we measured the minute. Unit that we measured is 23 millimeters. 23 times 60 over 1. Here we go. Okay. Right. And we say 23. I'll do it on the calculator here. 23 divided by 36. Right. There we go. Let's do it again. I accidentally put it off the camera. So 23 millimeters. We divide this by 36, and there we go, decimals, we times this by 60 over 1, and the answer is 38,33. We round it off and we get 38 seconds. Laka. And then we write 38 seconds. And by doing this right in the beginning, writing down the direction and your symbol, your key, it makes it so much easier than just to write down the seconds. You're not rushed, you don't make mistakes. You got that together. Laka. Alright. I think I said laka more than anything else now. Guys, must have a great day, and I hope you understand this. Okay, so this was for Trick Beacon 189. See if you can come right by yourself.